Do you want to get more out of your solar this year? It's easier than you think. I'm David Green from green.com.au, the best solar and battery retailer in the universe. And in this video, I'm breaking down 4 simple ways you can get more value, more savings, and more performance from your solar system in 2026. If you want your solar to work smarter, the easiest place to start isn't your roof. Wild. It's your routine. Solar hits its peak in the middle of the day. So that's when you want to run your high energy appliances like your dishwasher, your washing machine, your dryer, your pool pump. Most new appliances have built-in timers. So even if you're not at home, you can still make sure things line up when the sun shines out. If you don't have timers in your appliances, smart plugs can do exactly the same thing. If you work from home, charge all your gadgets during the day. Turn everything on. And really hot or really cold days, pre-cool or preheat your home if you can, because then you'll use solar instead of waiting for the more expensive evening window to switch on the aircon. The rule is simple. If the sun's out, use it. Your solar is producing clean, green energy either way, so you may as well enjoy as much of it as you can. Your solar system will save you heaps off your daytime energy usage. But if you want to take it to the next level, that's where a battery comes in. A battery lets you store all the excess solar from during the day instead of sending it back to the grid. Then at night, when your electricity suddenly goes through the roof and costs you an arm and a leg, your battery powers your home instead of the grid. Plus, solar on its own won't help you in a blackout. A battery can. On top of that, with government rebates taking a huge chunk off the upfront cost, a properly sized battery can seriously boost your savings and your independence. If you want to stop buying expensive nighttime electricity, a battery is the upgrade you'll feel the most. Your solar system is pretty low maintenance, but it's not no maintenance. A little attention can go a long way. If your panels are covered in leaves, bird gifts, or your neighbour's gum tree has decided to cosplay as a parasol over your roof, that can absolutely impact performance. Keeping branches trimmed back and your roof clear can make a huge difference. When it comes to washing, you don't need to wash your panels weekly. This isn't a car. Rain does most of the work. But if something is obviously blocking the sunlight, removing it is 100% worth it. And if your inverters say inside your garage or your shed, try not to pack everything around it. Thinking things like bikes, boxes, lawnmowers, because at the end of the day, electronics don't love sitting in a sauna, and good airflow helps extend their life. It also helps to keep a casual eye on how your systems actually run. You don't need to become an electrical detective, but a little monitoring goes a long way. Spend a couple of minutes a week, just check your inverter app, make sure you look for patterns like, does your solar regularly cover your daytime load? Are you still importing a lot during the day? Is your export suddenly way up or down? If things like that look off, it can actually be the case. Maybe a timer's reset, maybe the pool pump schedule's changed, maybe cloudy weather, who knows? Could even be your system's not performing. The goal isn't about staring at the app like it's Instagram. It's just about learning how your home uses energy so your solar can do the best possible long-term job. Now there you go. 4 simple ways to get more out of your system in 2026. If you'd like some help checking on your system, exploring battery options, or you just want some tailored advice for your home, please just click the link below, request a free quote, and our team will reach out. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe below and check out our other videos. Catch you on the flip.